Now open up your book and carefully listen to the poem In Heaven on page number 40 and 41. From a dream I was woken, my eyes were wide open, my head in a spin, my face had a grin, for it was a big, round, delicious fig. In the garden, up in heaven, it gave me a thrill. I stood there so still, I will never forget. My dream stays set. Now read the poem by yourself once again and look at the highlighted word families. Each word family has a vowel and one or more consonants. All the words having same letter pattern make a word family. For example, thrill and still. Do you see that the words are ending with ill? So, thrill and still are the words of the same family. Similarly, get and set. Both of these words are ending with et. Now, let's do an activity. List more words with the same word families as in the poem on a loose sheet. And if you have any difficulty, ask someone in your family for help. For example, I have made the words net and wet.